Number one in your life's blueprint should be a deep belief in your own dignity, your own worth, and your own somebodyness. Don't allow anybody to make you feel that you are nobody.
Now, first of all, let us find how to construct this quadrilateral having four sides given and two diagonals are given. One problem is there. Construct triangle PQRS in which PQ, QR, and this RS and PS are given and one diagonal is given. First of all, do this type of rough diagram. First of all, do the rough diagram. In the rough diagram, first of all, PR is there. So construct PR. That is equal to 7 centimeter. Construct PR equal to 7 centimeter. On the one side there is Q. This Q point at the 4 centimeter from the P. Q point is at the 4 centimeter from the P. So take 4 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder at P and draw arc of 4 centimeter. Now this arc is 4 centimeter radius taken from P. Another QR is at the 6 centimeter. For QR at the 6 centimeter, take 6 centimeter in the rounder and draw another arc with center at R and radius of 6 centimeter intersecting each other at Q. Now they join PQ and join this PQ and join QR. Now this is triangle PQR. Now remaining point is point S. For point S, what we have given, these two things are given. PS 5.5 and SR 5 centimeter. For PS, what we do, take 5.5 centimeter in the rounder. We take 5.5 centimeter in the rounder and put a metallic end of rounder at P and draw one arc. This arc is having radius 5.5 centimeter. Another, this S is at 5 centimeter from R. So take 5 centimeter in the rounder and put another arc with center at R. Now this is another this is 5.5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and this diagonal is 7 centimeter. And resulting quadrilateral, this point is S, and resulting quadrilateral is quadrilateral PQRS. Now we do construction when four sides and one diagonal is given. First of all, draw this rough diagram so that it become easy how to plan our construction. That must be clear. This PU is diagonal. First of all, draw or construct PU. This PU diagonal is given 6.5 centimeter. This PU is 6.5 centimeter. First of all, construct PU. From PU, this J is 4.5 centimeter, and from this J is 3.5 centimeters. First of all, take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder at P and draw arc having radius 4.5 centimeter. Now this J is 3.5 centimeter away from this U. So take 3.5 centimeter, put metallic end of rounder at U and draw another arc. This point where these two arcs intersecting each other, that is what say J. J is this J is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter away from P, and from U it is 3.5 centimeter. From U it is 3.5 centimeter. Resulting is triangle UPJU, yeah, JUP. Now we have remaining point is M. This M is This M is 5 centimeter from P. Put metallic end of rounder at P. Take radius of 5 centimeter. Put here and draw one arc. This arc is of radius. This arc is of radius 5 centimeter from the P. Now this point M is 4 centimeter from this point. M is 4 centimeter from U. So take radius of 4 centimeter. Put metallic end of rounder at U and draw another arc. This is what say M. This is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter and this is what say 5 centimeter, and resulting quadrilateral is quadrilateral JUMP. Now we want to construct this rhombus BEST. B is given 4.5 and ET is given 6 centimeter. In the first look, it is looked at it is just like problem having one side is given and another two sides are given, but it is not the case. You know that rhombus has 4 sides equal. First of all, construct the rough figure. You know that this BE is the one of the side of rhombus. Means this BE, ES, ST and BT. These are the 4 equal sides. So 4 equal sides of 4.5 centimeter. And it is the diagonal 6 centimeter. So what we do? First of all, we construct the ET. ET, that is diagonal, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now 4 sides are equal. So first of all, take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder, and it is required 4 times. It requires 4 times. Put metallic end of rounder with radius 4.5 centimeter and draw arc here also and here also, because from this point E, B is 4.5 centimeter, from this E, S is also 4.5 centimeter. Now put metallic end of rounder at T with same radius, that is 4.5 centimeter. Draw another arc from this T with radius 4.5 centimeter here and this here. Now this point is B and this point is S. Join this all line segment. Join this all line segments. So this is resulting into rhombus BEST. This is what say 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Now again repeating the same procedure. First of all, take this construct this ET equal to 6 centimeter. Take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder. Draw arc on the upper side of this ET also and on the lower upside of the ET also. With same radius, put metallic end of rounder at T. Draw another arc on the upper side and lower side, intersecting each other at B and S respectively. Join all these points. This resulting rhombus BEST is the rhombus. Now how to construct this parallelogram MORE? So this MORE, what is given? This OR is given. OR 6 centimeter is given. OR 6 centimeter is given is mean that this EM is also 6 centimeter, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. R is 4.5 centimeter, means that this MO is also 4.5 centimeter and this diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. So first of all, what we do? We construct this triangle and next time we construct another triangle. Let us draw this, construct this triangle ORE, ERO. First of all, construct this triangle ERO. First of all, this is what say EO. EO, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter. From this EO, from this E, R is 4.5 centimeter. So take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder. Put metallic end of rounder at E and draw one arc. This arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. From this O, R is 6 centimeter. So take metallic end of rounder here and take in rounder 6 centimeter and this another arc intersecting each other. This arc is of radius 6 centimeter. intersecting each other at R. This point is R. This point R is 4.5 centimeter from E, and it is 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter from O. Now this from this point O, M is 4.5 centimeter. So this 4.5 centimeter we want to draw construct 4.5 centimeter here. So take 4.5 centimeter in rounder and put metallic end of rounder at O with radius 4.5 centimeter. Draw another arc. Now this distance is 6 centimeter. From E to M it is 6 centimeter. Take 4.6 centimeter in the rounder. Put metallic end of rounder at E and draw another arc. And this is what says 6 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Resulting is the parallelogram. MORE. Now how to construct quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. First of all, draw this rough diagram and try to construct one triangle. First of all, let us construct this triangle BDC, having BD 7 centimeter, this side is 4.5 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter. So first of all, construct this diagonal DB. This DB that is equal to 7 centimeter. DB is 7 centimeter. From this D point, C point is 5 centimeter away. So take 5 centimeter in rounder and draw one arc of radius 5 centimeter. From put metallic end of rounder at D. Now this another BC is 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5, take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder and take metallic end of rounder at B and construct another arc. This is what says C, and this triangle is triangle BDC, having this side is 5 centimeter and this side is 4.5 centimeter. So remaining point is point A. For point A, two things are given. One is from this D, this is 5.5, and from this C, it is again 5.5. So first of all, we have to take 5.5 in the 5.5 centimeter in the rounder. Put metallic end of rounder at D and draw one arc having radius 5.5 centimeter. On this arc there is A point, but this A is 5.5 centimeter away from C. So with same distance 5.57 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder at C and draw another arc intersecting each other at A. Distance between these two is 5.5 and this is also 5.5. Now join this remaining point, that is AB. Now this quadrilateral ABCD. Now this is 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter, and this AB we don't know.